Hey, what's going on? This is Ross Omari of SquarespaceThemes.com. Today I'm going to do a review slash digital unboxing of a Squarespace design kit from Station 7. Now, if you're not familiar, Squarespace design kits are basically third party or as close as you can get to a third party Squarespace template. And by template, I mean design template. So when you purchase one of these Squarespace design kits, essentially what you're buying are the assets and the steps to recreate exactly what you see here. So I went ahead and I purchased the Elise James Squarespace kit, which is their most recent. And this particular template is made with influencers in mind, but totally works for infopreneurs and freelancers alike. It's simple, it's minimal, it's clean. There's a lot of subtleties, but basically, if you want just basically a different design than what's offered in the Squarespace template collection, you definitely want to check out one of these. Now, this is priced at $99, which I think is really modest and reasonable for what you get. Once you download the kit, it includes I'll just show you. So there's a couple of folders with the graphic assets that you need, and then special link to access the documentation. So this is what the documentation looks like. And so this walks you through everything you need to recreate that same design. So the first step, it's broken down into three sections. The first step is to prepare your graphics. So all of the graphics can be accessed via canva.com, which is really convenient. You can also edit the images in Photoshop. Then if you're not used to Squarespace, or if you want to get just a little background on how to use the platform, there are more instructions here and step-by-step guides on the different elements on Squarespace. And then finally, step-by-step instructions on how to set up each of the pages. There's even some custom CSS in here, but everything you need to get your pages looking exactly like the demo. So this is what the demo looks like. I'm on the courses page here, but you can go ahead and recreate the whole thing yourself and then swap it out with your content, or while you work on it, you can put your content in that way. You're not limited per se to some of the color choices. You can change all of that to match your brand. And so it's 100% customizable. I think my favorite part about the whole kind of experience is you're basically getting a mini Squarespace design course. So even if you're a designer yourself, it's always great to see other people's process and how they work and how they put things together. So I definitely recommend. I don't have anything but good things to say about Station 7. I've also purchased their two of their design kits in the past, which are Canva templates as well, which are really quality. Their lead magnet toolkit and their Pinterest bundle. Haven't really done much with the Pinterest bundle, but I got it sitting there. So yeah, definitely, check out the kits. I should mention that I did buy these. This wasn't like a sponsored video, but I am also an affiliate for Station 7. So if you use my link, I do get a little percentage of that. So feel free to use my link if you found this helpful in any kind of way. All right, take care. Peace.